He's having a Power Ranger collision over here.
I think the Power Rangers have a bigger warehouse than we do.
All right. I go forward now.
Okay, okay, go a little back. No, a little back. No, not too far. Okay, a little forward. A little forward. Okay, a little back. A little back.
Okay, see it.
How many men does it take to move Power Ranger motorcycles?
I think you go. Now we're good. That's real. Oh yeah, it's real. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's real.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Man, even the Green Rangers, even the fucking Power Rangers got their shit on recession. Right. They had to go for recession.
You got YouTube?
Yep.
Damn, you're gonna put it on YouTube?
I put everything on YouTube, all my videos.
Do you?
Yeah.
For accessories? They're putting their plastic missiles on it. Nice. Done. It's done.
Don't get left behind, Bruce.
Smurfs ride Power Rangers.
It's just a mob of blue. Jump in there, Pete. Jump in there.